Well, I started back in 1980 doing air conditioning when I was 17 years old. I went to an air conditioning shop in Tulare that was a union shop. They were gracious enough to bring me on as an apprentice. Spent quite a few years in the union and taught me a lot of union quality. In 1994, we decided to take that union quality to the residential field and raise the bar for residential air conditioning in this area. And now I've got 34 years experience bringing that quality and saving people money. Some of the biggest things we saw when we started the company, and the reason we did, was just the overall lack of quality of workmanship in residential heating and air conditioning, and an overall waste of utilities. And back then electricity was cheaper, gas was cheaper, and as the prices have started going up, people with that type of equipment in their homes performing inefficiently are starting to realize how much it's cost them over time. So that's kind of been our philosophy, is doing things right the first time. Ultimate goals are always to improve comfort, overall comfort, and improve the efficiency of your home by lowering your utility bills. And those two things kind of go hand in hand. We don't go to a house and size an air conditioner based upon square footage like most contractors do. We do a detailed analysis. We measure the entire house and we calculate the heat load, the heat gain and heat loss on your house, and we match the equipment according to what you need. No guesswork involved in what we do. The technicians in our companies and our installers are NATE certified. NATE is a nationwide organization for certifying technicians. If it's worth doing, it's worth doing right. Everybody in our company abides by those rules. Everybody in our company has the ability to make the decisions, to make changes as needed, to make sure we're always doing the right thing. The Energy Star QI Quality Installation Program is a nationwide program. The program in California is #1 in the nation. There's roughly 5,000 contractors, air conditioning contractors in California. Of those 5,000, there's approximately 25 that are even in the program, and of those 25, we're in the top 5 contractors overall. So that puts us in a pretty good group of contractors throughout the United States of America. By participating in the Quality Installation Energy Star program, homeowners are eligible for rebates of $1,100 through Southern California Edison, a couple $100 through Southern California Gas, and there's factory incentives as well. Those incentives are there to help offset the cost from the proper installation of an air conditioner. There is more cost associated with doing the job right. The rebates are there not to make an air conditioner free, but to help offset those costs. And the end result, what the utility companies want, is to not build more power plants and to become more green, is why the program came to be, and that's why we do what we do. We save millions and millions of kilowatt hours in electricity over the years. So the first step of our process, we come out and we do a detailed measurement of your home, room by room. We measure all the interior walls, the exterior walls, make note of the type of windows you have, the insulation in the walls, the insulation in the attic, and then we do our load calculations based upon that. Then we select the equipment based upon the calculations that we have, is our first step. Second step is we come out to the house. Through the installation process, we increase the intakes for the returns to ensure proper airflow. We remove all the registers in the house, seal them off to prevent duct leakage. Once the equipment is installed, we do a full-on commissioning that includes duct leakage testing, airflow verification, fan watt draw verification, system watt draw verification, refrigerant charge verification, and all those things are to ensure that we have installed a system the way we designed it and it's performing the way it's designed. We hold our company, our employees, everything we do to the highest standards possible out there through the air conditioning industry, and that is the Energy Star Quality Installation Program. We have a firm belief in lowering utility bills, lowering kilowatt consumption to reduce the need to build more and more power plants out there. Our philosophy is energy savings by design. If you'd like to save on energy, improve the comfort of your home, and help the environment, give us a call today.